Are you having trouble with delete all history on the YouTube app? If your watch history or search history isn't being deleted, the option isn't working or deleted, history appears again. In this video, I will show you how to fix delete all history on YouTube app. The first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube. Then here in this page, you will find this sign of profile. So you will move to above to settings. After that, in this page of settings, what you will find is manage all history. So you will tap here on manage all history, and then in this page you will find this window, and you can manage your history and delete it and fix this problem. So this is how it works. Please don't forget to press by like